Selects 3644. How you doing? We're going to randomize this list again 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will win the Angels. The Angels, of course, aren't on this list. Duh. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2. Geez, old Dale might have to eat some humble pie. 3, 4. 31 to 1. And 5.
1 is in Geelong 1.
Yes. Rangers on top 5 times. I mean, they're definitely not done by halftime. The soccer break will fill Y mode. If it doesn't fill, it'll be pushed tomorrow. Alrighty, who's got the Rangers in this one? Ben, you are worrying about nothing. It's definitely going to fill. There's only like 30 spots left. Chris Rice, congratulations. Picking up the Angels. Here we go. You still leaving at 8:20?
No.
Why? Dale gave you another job.
No.
What a dog.
The job I did for him to stand behind this one.
Oh, well, it's just Damo's work. He's not even going to be here tomorrow.
He has to be because I'm not finishing.
Pardon?
He needs to do inventory. I'm not doing inventory.
He's got a headache. He said he might not come in tomorrow. Blankenhorn, Acuna Jr. Oh, nice. Chris Bryant, tie-dye. Number 19 of 20. Nice. I still don't know how I feel about tie-dyes being numbered to 20, honestly. Yeah. I guess I'm a traditionalist. Hot rookies of Dalbeck and Brendan Woodruff. Giolotto, Tim Anderson, Aaron Judge, Silva, William Contreras, and Yohan Moncada. Well, we got to get more people to jump in. Christian Javier, Braxton Garrett, a red Tyler Glasnow, numbered 187 to 109. A silver, gee whiz, that is off cut, Jack Flaherty. Nice on there for St. Louis and Pete Alonso. Tabby, you're my angel. Chris Bryant, Austin Meadows. To 299, it is a jersey auto of Isaac Paredes. And Louis Robert and Braylon Marquez. Just go home. Cody Whitley, TJ Antone. Blue, Joey Gallo. Numbered to 149. If he cared that much, he'd be doing it. A red, white, and blue, Ryan Castellani. Like, you shouldn't have to stay back beyond when you're here, Clayton Kershaw. I'll stand by that. Yordan Alvarez, Mike Soroka. And to 10, gold select auto for Los Angeles Dodgers of Max Muncy. Dodgers doing very nice. Jack Flaherty and Carlos Correa. Am I wrong? So go. Foot's down, mate. Carlson, Flaherty, Cameron. Silva. Geez, that is off cut as well. This is a really off cut box. Daz Cameron. Patrick Corbin. Jazz Chisholm. Sixer Sanchez. Tristan McKenzie. Kyle Cody and Matt Chapman. McGraw Ujura. Blake Snell. A Joey Bart. Rookie. Oh, I'm getting a bit of pain in my wrist. Manny Machado. Christian Yelich. Yeah, I mean, probably wouldn't surprise me. Ramirez, Mondesi, Silva, Manny Machado, 25 man. Sparks of Miguel Rojas and Xander Bogaerts. DDC, buy the rest of the spots, you peanut clown. Oh. Red, white, and blue, Brandon Belt and JD Martinez. Tabby on the bad night. $2.99. Will Crow, maybe. Jersey, red, white, and blue for Pittsburgh Pirates. Nelson Cruz and Kenta Maeda. So, big start by the Brisbane Lions. Tanner Hook, Daz Cameron, and the light blue, Blake Snell. Numbered just 19 of 35. Hot rookies, Evan White and Louis Gonzalez. Yadier Molina, Braxton Garrett, Silva, Willie Castro, Seth Romero, and Jay Cronenworth. All right, Tabby, would you rather Laureano Mondesi, Yastrzemski, Silva, Keegan Akin, Josh Hader? Would you rather have everything you'll ever eat be randomized, or everything you'll ever listen to be randomized? Cracked Ice, Louis Patino. You'll still get number 22 or 25. You'll still get Total Nutrients, Silva, Lucas Giolotto, Evan White.
I'd rather everything I listen to be randomized.
And this is also including like TV and stuff as well. Like if you turn on the TV, random.
Yeah.
You're happy with that? You could never choose to watch something again. Never choose Salvador Perez, Austin Meadows, and Sixer Sanchez. Rookie. Nice moonshot to Mike Trout, Ryan Castellani. Like, so you still get nutrition. Like, you know, you go, all right, here's meal. Esteban Florio, TJ Antone. You couldn't watch breaks anymore. Silva, Christian Javier. Jeremy Candelario. Could you imagine somebody discovering us through that thing? Like, all right, fine.
You wouldn't be able to watch them until they get randomized again.
What?
You wouldn't be able to watch them again until they get randomized.
Well, that's it. Could you imagine turning on the TV or listening to music? Trevor Bauer, Silva, Fernando Tatis, and Sam Huff, and you're like, oh man, I'd love to watch a footy tonight. You turn it on and it's, great, the news from Saudi Arabia. Awesome. Brent Rooker, Trey Turner. To 299, Jose Garcia, rookie jersey auto for Cincinnati. Kenta Maeda and Dansby Swanson. Of course, nothing that you get to eat will be poisonous or kill you. Dalton Varsho, Ronald Acuna Jr., Blake Snell, red, white, and blue, Aaron Judge, and DJ LeMahieu. Harry's gone 8. Jared Olivia, Luis Campusano, green, Dustin May, numbered 60 of 99. Could you imagine like getting, I don't know, biscuits, like plain biscuits, like 2 days in a row, like some people get the Pacers? Isaac Paredes, rookie, Dean Kremer. Well, good to see Tabby's made his call. Do you stick by it? Eat? To 25, Abraham Toro cracked ice patch. Yeah, I was like, who's Tata Holes? Radigalea. Christian Javier, Isaac Paredes. Corbin Burns, Jeff McNeil. To 299, it is Keibert Ruiz. Anthony Rendon and George Polanco. Well, I'll sleeve these up for us a quick sec. Yeah. Goodbye, holes. Right, if you could choose to be permanently invisible, would you?
Yeah.
You would?
That would piss me enough.
I would. I mean, but you'd still exist. Like, you'd still be here. You could still do things. You'd just be permanently invisible. So you're saying yes, no matter what.
I'd become a superhero
Oh yeah.
or a villain.
Oh.
Depends how I'm feeling that day.
The Invisible Tab today has decided that he is not taking any more shit, and he has attacked a poor man as he walked across the street.
That man was G. White.
Freeze time's a really good one. Yeah, I think I'd take the invisibility.
The world wouldn't miss much if it didn't see me. Like, not that pleasant to the eye.
Okay, so that's an easy yes for you.
There's more benefits than not.
Fair enough. I don't know, I had another one and then I lost it. You can get sent back in time with your current knowledge. You know everything that's happened, everything you know now, you take back. Whether you remember which horse won the Melbourne Cup in 2014, whether you know who wins the grand final. Talon, I'm not sure yet, man. We're nothing too amazing, I don't think. Oh, poor Dangerfield. He's copped one there from Cal, kicking like Paul George and Ben Simmons. Here we go. A Jesus Sanchez and Edward Olivares. Would you yeah, you can go back in time, but it's completely random. Divi Garcia, Dustin May, Silva, Casey Mize, Gavin Lux. Like, it could be 2 minutes. Could be 24 and a half years. Shane McClanahan, Andres Jimenez. Red, Kyle Tucker. A silver, Jose Ramirez. And Jose Iglesias.
Is that only, I only have a maximum 23 years because that's how long I've been alive?
Yes. Yep, you go back to that age. Chris Fleming. Silver, Braylon Marquez, Phenomenon's rookie. Mookie Betts and Noah Syndergaard.
Worth a shot.
You're going yes, you're out.
Yeah. With knowledge, it's so powerful. You make so much money, you can do so much with it.
Paredes, Semien. To 109, it is Dalton Jeffries, rookie jersey auto. I cannot believe you're still here. Ozzy Albies, Kohei Arihara. That's annoyed me, Tabby. Kirilloff, JP Crawford, Nolan Arenado. Red, white, and blue, Braxton Garrett. Chris Bassett. Goldschmidt, Longoria. Ryan Weathers, jersey. A Yu Darvish and Joey Bart. Yeah. Eloy Jimenez, Josh Bell. White, Reese Hoskins. Add his number to just 50. A Randy Arozarena Phenoms and Hyunjin Ryu. Raf Devers, Andy Young, and Mickey Moniak for Philadelphia, rookie jersey. Moonshots of Christian Yelich, Brandon Lowe. Leody Tavares, Baez, Ozzy Albies, Silva, Sterling Marte, German Marquez. Honor, Colton Wong. A blue, William Contreras, numbered to just 149. A red, white, and blue of Alberto Mondesi, Whit Merrifield. And finally, for 3644, the final of our select breaks for tonight, Monte Harrison, Louis Garcia, and to just 15, the cracked ice of Trent Grisham for San Diego. That is gorgeous. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Jose Berrios and Louis Robert. All right, baseball, what are you doing? Yeah, listen, I don't think 38-2 was where they planned to be at. And that is that.